Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on more down here. When you click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just scrolling down here until you will find here settings. Click on settings. Then you click here on notifications. So then you just waiting to open with you here. So it's going to show for you like this. You click here on mobile and push notifications. You just scrolling down here. So until you will find here friend request received. Click in this sign or this color. So like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean here friend request received disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.